In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Java error code 1603, or perhaps you get an error saying the Java update did not complete. So this tutorial should hopefully resolve your issue, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin first by opening up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but for this tutorial I'm going to hop on Google Chrome, and into Google I'm going to type in Java, so just however you would spell Java, and then type offline installer. And then you just want to search that up. One of the best results should come back from download free Java software. Just want to left click on that. You want to left click on free Java download right here. And then you want to left click on agree and start free download. Once the installer is finished downloading, just left click on it one time. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. You can minimize out of your web browser at this time as well. And just say welcome to Java. Left click on install. Left click on OK. And then just let it go ahead and start downloading the installer. It should take a couple moments, so please be patient. So hopefully once that's done, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.